Hi. How is your chemistry class going? I hope it's well. Email me if it's not or if you're not sure about something. Our next lesson, Unit 4, is on solutions. And so it's going to be like, hey, no problem. I did okay with my last one. This one's starting to get where we are talking about math. And there's two terms that are kind of tricky, but not really. But I just wanted to bring up, make sure that you use molarity correctly. Molarity is going to be important in several of the next units. You're going to see it again in equilibrium, so be sure that you're using it right. Molarity is a capital M. It's moles of solute over liters of solvent. And your equation's easy. Capital M is equal to moles over liters. Then molality sounds an awful lot like molarity, but it's different. It's a lowercase italicized m. And molality is moles of solute per kilogram solvent. And so molality is moles per kilogram. You really won't see molality anywhere except this chapter. So as a heads up, just make sure that you're using it correctly. Since you're going to use molarity a lot, I like to think all the time. I'm always running into molarity and all kinds of problems. And especially if you're not a mathy person, I don't know if you've ever made a triangle. Sometimes people make a density triangle. Here's a molarity triangle. So you just build a triangle, and in the top is moles, and in the bottom, divided by 2, is moles and liters. So look at how the triangle makes the 3 equations that you can derive. Molarity, capital M, is moles per liter. That's the equation with no background on it. And you can see that if I consider the part of the triangle that's molarity and cover it up, I get moles over liters. And then the pink one is moles. If I'm looking for moles, it's molarity times liters. That's your pink equation. And then, of course, if I'm looking for liters, what's left in my triangle? Moles over molarity. It's just a trick, okay? Regular algebra will get you those equations derived as well. But you don't have to memorize them, but make sure you use them correctly. Email me anytime. I'm always happy to hear from you. Chemistry is an exciting class. It surrounds us. Maybe think about your time in the ocean when you're thinking about all these solutions. Bye.